Hi family of Onpassive. How are you all? This is SATYA from India. This is an article from our Onpassive blog. Why are shorter URLs better for SEO? Your brand should consider optimizing your website's URL length, as it is a good marketing practice. Shorter URLs rank better in search results and are more accessible to type, which in turn helps improving the user experience. Therefore, it is better to reduce the length of your URL, which will, in return, reduce its complexity and will help in optimizing your website in line with the best SEO practices. URLs are the first thing a website visitor sees. They may be subtle, but they are vital in making an excellent first impression. You may have come across a website where the URL seems spam, although it was not. And with a long URL, your company also gives the same vibe. Therefore, it is essential to optimize your URL structure by shortening them. How to make search engine-friendly URL? Making your company's URL easy for search engines to find, read, and understand is crucial. The structure and complexity of your URL can affect your rankings. Long and overly complex URLs look disorganized, which results in worse search rankings. Keep the following points in mind to influence the ranking of your web pages. Do's. Create simple and catchy URLs. Add simple words and letters relevant to the content. Add explanatory keywords to avoid generic page names in search engines. Use your web page H1 headers to make URLs consistent. Don'ts. Make your URL less complex. Avoid repetition of words in your URL. Do not include non-user-friendly symbols, including hyphens, dashes, or numbers. Avoid having too many subfolders. Make an SEO-friendly URL by having a good structure that includes subfolders. But it must be in moderation, and too many subfolders must be avoided at any chance. Using one-word terms for all your website's URLs is also not healthy. Keep in mind the important web page and structure the URL accordingly. Why are shorter URLs better? Below are a few reasons that show how shorter URLs are better. Improved SEO rankings. Your URL structure will influence your SEO rankings. If you include the relevant keywords in your URL, the readers searching for the content on any search engine will get a better idea of what your page is about. Hence, it is better to include a keyword within your URL. Build trust. Websites with long URLs filled with strange characters look like spam. Therefore, it is essential to keep your URL clean to be trustworthy. Minimize the subfolders and subdomains in the URL, it will make your users trust your website. Easier website growth. Simplify your URL by trimming and shortening its structure, making navigating your site much simpler for the user. Short URLs expand your site, which enables more manageable website growth. Easy sharing. Shorter URLs make sharing sites easier for your users. Moreover, they are also less memorable. A long and confusing URL will look weird and suspicious if shared across various social media platforms. Aligning content with user expectations. You might want your brand's URL to give an insight into what your page is about. The user must have a clear idea about the topic of the page simply by looking at the URL. Hence, trimming and optimizing your URL creates a solid user experience. Why use OTrim? Today, with the evolution of artificial intelligence, AI, a new and improved URL trimmer, OTrim, has been launched to revolutionize how businesses link their content to the public. This new tool promises a faster and more reliable user experience than ever before and is sure to help boost your business with its various unique features. In addition to providing an effective way to analyze data, this URL trimmer also offers custom link creation tools. These tools allow businesses to choose specific text which will be embedded into the URL structure, thus allowing them to customize it as per their needs. Moreover, with these customized links, businesses can create short links with precisely targeted traffic potential, which could significantly help drive revenue. Its automated detection system quickly analyzes the data present on your website, giving you an understanding of what keywords to use for your link to have a better ranking in search engines. Final thought. Shortening and improving your website's URL structure is pretty easy. You need to make a few pointers and think logically when shortening the URL, what would make sense for it. It is better to do keyword research and use them accordingly. Shortening your existing URLs can be a game changer for SEO ranking, website structure, user experience, and much more. Short URLs can rank high on the search engine, making it easier for people to discover your website. It also improves brand awareness, giving a better opportunity to get more business. With the ability to automate tedious tasks related to linking, such as analyzing data, creating customized links, and targeting an exact audience with precise keywords, OTrim is ideal for boosting your business presence on the web. So make sure you try out this new URL trimmer and start enjoying its many benefits today. Thank you. Yours SATYA.